Hey everybody, Crazy Canuck coming at you from Saskatchewan, Canada. It's January 3rd. It's been wind chills here, minus 30 Celsius to minus 50 for the last couple weeks. So needless to say, not much is getting done. Got a little bit warmer here the last couple days. I think today is only minus 30 wind chill. So I went and got a log and I'm going to do some cookies. I'm going to do some 5-star cookies. As you can see on this one here, I got a branch, a knot, whatever, and it's exposed. If I can cut these just right, I am hoping to get where there's like 5 of them in a pattern on the top, which will make a really cool table. Now, of course, getting them up on the mill, that's going to be interesting. So I've got one balanced here. And hopefully I can get it onto the mill without crashing. That one is short enough. I'm going to set it up on some timber and get it up top of here and cut the cookies down. The bigger ones they're going to be too big to go on those timbers, so I'll have to build a base across these rims and across this cross beam and set it down until I get it to a point where I can put it on top of the beams. So that's the plan. And I'm going to get the first one on the mill here, get the tractor started, make some smoke, and I'll come back as soon as I get her on there. All right, we got the mill warming up after a little finagling. Got the log situated on there, sitting about 28 to 29 inches high. I'm going to take my first cut at 27. Got everything, hasn't been running for a while, so hopefully everything goes good. Got the camera all fired up here. Changed the mounting of the camera a little bit, just trying some different things. Trying to get it so that it lines up behind the blade a little better. But so we'll see what happens. I'm going to use what's available. So I'll get my camera person to take over the camera and we'll make some cuts and see what we can find. Hopefully we can get a 5-star. Alright, I cut the first one. The audio was just terrible on it, so we're going to try it again on this longer one. This one I have to put down between the bunks. Get it all nice and level because I do want to try and cut to the level of this piece. And up here where I hacked it off with the chainsaw, I'm going to just first take a level cut, and then maybe if it looks promising, just take another, just shave off until I can maybe get a few more knots in there. So we'll see how that's going to work and see what else we can get off of that. Be right back. Well, it looks like I'm maxing it out at 31 inches off the deck. Camera's on. We're going to see what we can get out of her. cut. For the 5-star. 1, 2, 3 there. Not bad for a firewood cut. I think I'll take, I'm just going to take about a 1-inch slice and see what that does. Shaky, but she cuts. Pancake. Got a couple nice ones here. So it takes perfect spacing to get all 5 of them in there. Go for another 3-incher. Nice growth rings on there. A little bit of spalting around the edge. So I'm going to keep cutting this, and if I come across a 5-star, I'll show it to you. Not going to bore you with all the cutting I have to do here. So we'll be back shortly. Well, we got close. We got this one and this one. We got one, got number 2 over here, got 3, and got 4. This isn't the true 5-star that I'm looking for, but we're into some nice looking cookies. So the search will continue till I get through these. If I don't find a 5-star, I will go out to the log pile and show all you what I'm talking about, what I'm looking for. So till then, I'll just take a break here, and we'll finish this video up probably tomorrow. Alright, since I couldn't actually find a 5-star in the log I was cutting, I'll show you what I'm looking for. This is the butt end of a log on my pile that actually has four solid branch knots and one slight. But that's very close to what I'd consider a 5-star, which would make an awesome tabletop. So that's what we're looking at, and I cut up those other cookies, so we'll see how those work out. If I ever come across the ability to make a 5-star, I'll be definitely making a video about it. So that's it for this video. Hope you got something out of it, and as usual, like if you like, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you soon.